Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for August 5th, 2020. Today we're taking a look at the USDCHF, the US dollar versus the Swiss franc for today's trade analysis. Not too hard to see. Left-hand side is the dollar franc. Even if I zoom out a little bit, you can see it's been in a significant downtrend here for the dollar franc as it has followed what the US dollar index has done. The right-hand side is the US dollar index. I'll zoom it out as well. You can see the downtrend in effect for the dollar. It's been falling like a rock over the past several weeks. So downtrend for the dollar franc, very significant. We are reaching historic multi-year lows here for the dollar franc. We haven't seen these lows in quite a long time. I'm going to zoom out, go here to the weekly time frame, zoom out one more time, and you can see the last time we were here was all the way back in 2015. Far bottom left hand side of the chart, we saw the market touch down there just briefly before turning and going back higher again. So we're at a significant multi-year decision point here for the dollar franc at the orange zone at the bottom of the chart, 0.9090, 0.9065. Significant multi-year decision zone. It's either going to do what it did last time, bounce off of it, turn around and go back up, or it's going to break through and continue the downtrend that we're seeing for the dollar franc. Back to the daily time frame, zoom back in, put them side by side again, and use this as somewhat of a confirmation. When the dollar is finding support, we're looking for support here for the dollar franc. If the dollar breaks its support and goes lower, and we'll look for lower levels in the trade room later on today, we'll look for the dollar franc to go lower. We already have one little spot down here for the dollar franc down towards the 90.25, 0.90 level. That 9,000 triple zero significant support level down there. The purple is shaded area, 0.90 sitting down there. So a break of the orange zone, not too hard to see. We have a significant support level to look for down here at the bottom of the dollar franc. And I think we'll probably have a significant support zone for the dollar as well. So we're looking for that support. We're looking for it to find support and potentially shift and turn around and go back up, or signs that it's going to break and go lower. Let's zoom it now into the 4-hour time here frame here for the dollar franc. We're just now coming back down to challenge it after making a little bit of a bounce up. The first time touching the orange shaded area, found some support, reversed, and went all the way back up to the pink zone. That's the 0.923050 level, and now we're making our way back down. So the question is, will it do what it did the last time and bounce off of it and go back up? Or will it break through and go lower? That's the kind of clues that we're going to be looking for over the next several hours. One thing that we will look for, and I'll just draw this out as somewhat of an implied candle here to make it look like what we're going to look for. We're either going to look for some significant infusion of buy orders from the 90.65-90 level, something that tells us it's going to get back above the purple shaded area, or sorry, not purple, but orange shaded area and go back up, or it's going to break out underneath. And let's draw this out as a bearish implied candle just to give us an idea what we're looking for. We're going to look for it to get back underneath. So these two things are going to be the candlestick clues that we can look for. Candlestick structures and formations can give us clues to infusions of buy orders or bounces to go back up in this case, or break out underneath it to continue to go lower. So one of these two things will help us identify the next move. A sudden infusion of buy orders, blue candle, to go back up, or a breakout underneath the orange zone to go lower. We can use other tools at our disposal. We could bring in our volume indicator, and we'll put these colored shaded areas over on our volume indicator during our trade room later today. But right now you can see the current state of affairs on the 5-minute time frame is bearish. We have red dots, the red trend dots, the red heat map. We don't have red volume at the moment, so that could be a little bit of a barrier for you. But if you're going to sell it, I still think you want it to break through this barrier, this orange shaded area, before I would sell it. I don't want what happened last time to happen and try and sell it here. So I would like to see it get through that 90.65 level. Let's see if I can just put a horizontal line there. And let's make this line orange, just so we can find it on the right hand side. Somewhere right around 90 or 90.65, and that's going to be a little bit below here. And we're looking all the way down Right about right there. So there's the 90.65 level as it looks like over on the left hand side. So it needs to go down a little bit more into the 90.65 level, break that orange line before I would feel comfortable with selling. Otherwise, even dipping down to 65 could produce a bounce to go back up for the dollar franc today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.